I virus spread in South Punjab. Increase in people affected by eye diseases in several districts including Leh, Bakar, Muzaffargarh, Dera Ghazi Khan, Rayanpur, Rahimur Khan. After the rains, this disease is spreading rapidly among children and adults. Watery eyes and intense red eyes of children due to virus in schools. Parents whose children have eye disease should not send their children to school so that other children can avoid the disease, and appeal to the victims and other citizens to take immediate notice of the higher